small businesses to sell their products and services. Hello?
Yep.
So, may we ask you several questions, if you don't mind, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So, so we wonder if you have someone, specifically in charge of posting ads on Gumtree, or you just post them yourself?
Yeah, we just post them ourselves.
Oh, really? So, may we ask how many team members do you have available in your team?
For specific putting up ads.
Yes.
2 members on Facebook for social media and Gumtree put up ads.
Oh, really? So then how often do you post listings on Facebook?
Quite regular.
Hello?
Yeah, quite regular. We put up ads.
Oh, really? So
Charges.
do you guys have a Facebook page, or you just use an account to list?
We have Facebook page. Yeah.
Oh, really? So
Already.
so how then how do we find your Facebook page? Can you please point us to the right direction? Hello?
Sorry, what was that?
How can we find your Facebook page? Can you please point us towards the right direction?
If you get copiers and more.
Sorry?
Copiers and more. Copiers and more.
Copiers?
COPIERS, letter N, and then more MORE.
Oh, really? That's simple, really. So and do you have a team that specialize in in designing some banners, some logos, or some info graphics?
Yeah.
Do you? But so far as we can see from your listing, you only have the photos of those printers and photocopiers.
How much do you charge for your services?
Well, it all depends, but we are still trying to evaluate.
Where are you located?
Well, our company is registered based in Sydney, in the suburbs, Waterloo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, well, of course, we currently offer contactless services. In order to minimize the rate of infection and transmission of the virus.
What your charges are?
Well, but
You know what your charges are, what your services are?
yeah. So are you saying that you are currently in need of one more person to administrate your listings on Gumtree or on Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh, really? And so how?
Consider depending on your price, of course.
Oh, okay, sure. But how many ads do you need us to post on Gumtree per day or per week? Hello. We need to know the quantity,
Yeah. So look, I'm a little bit tied up right now. If you can give me a call back, maybe tomorrow.
Sure. We can do that. Yeah, sure.
Maybe we can have a chat, and we'll see from there what we can do.
Great.
And maybe just thinking about your services and what you can offer. I can give you my email address and email me what you're offering.
Sure. We can send you a brochure. Yeah.
Our email is inquiries, ENQ. So ENQUIR.
Yeah. Inquiry.
Yeah, ENQUIRIES at.
Yeah. Inquiries at.
COP. COPIERS.
Yeah.
Letter N for November.
Info November. No dots, no North.
O-R-E.
Info November. There's no dots or space in between.
So COPIERS.
Uh-huh.
NORE.com.au.
Oh, really? I see. Sure. Yes, we will find some time to, yeah. So it's inquiries at. Uh-huh.
Sorry, go on.
So it's inquiries at copiersinfonovember.com.au, right?
No.
No?
No, N, the letter N. So
Mm-hmm.
EMQIRIES, symbol.
Yeah.
And then COPIERS,
Mm-hmm.
NORE.com.au.
Okay. I see. Sure. Yeah, we will find some time to send you a brochure and on this coming Monday we will schedule a time to bring you back, see if you are see if you are free to have a chat. Great.
Yes, no worries.
Great. Thank you very much for your time, and we look forward to having you as one of our beloved clients.
Yeah, no worries.
Great. Thank you very much for your time. You have a great day. We shall speak again soon.
Thank you, man.
Cheers. You have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.